Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this video, we will learn English using a special method called shadowing. This technique helps you speak more clearly and confidently. It also improves your pronunciation, rhythm, and listening skills. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and try to repeat their words exactly. You copy their voice, tone, speed, and pauses. It's like becoming their shadow. This method works because it helps train your mouth, ears, and brain at the same time. It's one of the best ways to sound more natural when you speak English. Here's how we'll use it today. First, I will read a short story slowly and clearly. The words will appear on the screen. You can just listen and follow along. After that, we'll go back and practice the same sentences together. You'll repeat each sentence after me. You don't need to be perfect. Just try your best. The more you practice, the better you will become. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the story of Daniel. Daniel is standing on a train platform in London. His heart is beating fast. It is his first day in a new country. He is alone, and he feels nervous. In his hand, he holds a ticket. It says, Platform 3, Seat 12B. He checks it again. Then, he steps onto the train. The train is crowded. People are talking, walking, searching for their seats. Daniel walks slowly down the aisle. He looks for Seat 12B. Finally, he finds it. But someone is sitting there. It's a young woman wearing headphones. She is typing on her laptop. She doesn't notice him. Daniel hesitates. Should he say something? He takes a deep breath and says, "Excuse me. I think this is my seat." The woman looks up, surprised. "Oh, I'm sorry," she says. "I thought this was 12C." She quickly gathers her things and moves to the next seat. Daniel smiles and says, "Thank you." The woman replies, "No problem at all. It happens." Daniel sits down and looks out the window. The train begins to move. He watches the city pass by. The buildings turn into fields. The noise becomes quiet. He feels proud. He spoke up. He was polite. He didn't panic. He handled the situation well. Now, let's talk about this story. Daniel was in a new place. He was nervous. But he stayed calm. He asked politely. And the woman responded kindly. This is how good communication works. Even with small mistakes or confusion, we can still speak kindly and clearly. And that's the beauty of learning English. It's not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about how we connect with others. Now, let's go back and repeat some sentences from the story. This is your time to shadow me. Repeat each line after me. Try to match my voice and rhythm. Let's begin. I am standing on the train platform. Repeat. It is my first day in London. Repeat. My hands are shaking. Repeat. I check my ticket again. Repeat. It says Platform 3, Seat 12B. Repeat. I step onto the train. Repeat. I walk down the aisle, looking for my seat. Repeat. I find my seat, but someone is sitting there. Repeat. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. Repeat. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought this was 12C. Repeat. No problem at all. Repeat. I sit down and look out the window. Repeat. I feel proud. Repeat. I did it. Repeat. Great job. You are learning how to speak English naturally, just like Daniel. Now, let's look at a few useful phrases from the story. Repeat them after me. Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention politely. I think this is my seat. A polite way to explain a problem. No problem at all. A friendly reply to show everything is okay. It happens. Use this to say mistakes are normal. Now try these again. Excuse me. I think this is my seat. No problem at all. It happens. Excellent. So, what can we learn from Daniel's experience? Number 1. Be calm and polite, even when you feel nervous. Number 2. Speak clearly and kindly. Communication is not just about words, but how you say them. Number 3. Don't be afraid to speak. Even if your English isn't perfect, it's okay. People will understand if you try with kindness and confidence. Thank you for practicing with me today. Shadowing takes time, but every time you repeat a sentence, you improve. Watch this video again as many times as you need. Practice speaking with me. Your English will grow stronger every day. If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories and English practice. Remember, learning English is a journey. Take one step at a time. You are doing great. See you in the next video.